How to blur video in Fusion in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Move the playhead above your video, select your video, and open up the Fusion page. To blur the video, drag a blur node after the media in and drop it when the line turns blue. Select the blur node and open up the inspector panel. Change the blur size to your liking. Now the video is blurred, but let's say I want to blur only parts of the video. Add a rectangle mask or any other mask based on your needs to the composition. Attach the rectangle to the blur node. And now only the parts of the video which is under this rectangle are blurred. You can reposition and resize the rectangle to your liking. Now let's delete this rectangle node and let's say we want to blur the video over time. Select the blur node and move the playhead to the start. Click on the diamond button next to blur size and set blur to 0 to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead 10 frames forward and set blur size to around 10. Move the playhead a little forward and click on diamond button next to blur size to create a keyframe with current value. Move the playhead 10 frames forward and set blur to 0 again. And now we blur and unblur the video over time. Now you can go back to the edit page. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.